friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Since we are in the midst of the fall season, I wanted to continue some of my fall videos with the perfect fall decor for your front door and front porch. Your front porch is definitely the entrance to your home, basically the window into your home. And however you choose to decorate it, it doesn't have to be expensive. You just have to put little touches here and there. There's no set way to decorate. And as you can see by some of these pictures, that there are several different avenues you can take to create the perfect fall vibe on your front porch. If you like these kind of videos, definitely keep watching. of the various decor that I'm seeing, and no matter how big or small you choose to go when decorating your front porch, you can create something timeless and elegant that you as well as your neighbors will enjoy. Whether it's something big like getting lanterns and lights and candles and all of that, or just getting a few pumpkins and arranging them strategically. Either route you go, you're going to create something that you love. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Do me a favor and comment down below which front door was your favorite. I have this current obsession right now. I'm just obsessed with black front doors. I don't know why. I don't know when I started to really fall in love with a good black front door, but it's just my obsession currently. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other types of videos that you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.